So today we will be discussing about classification of cost on basis of variability or on basis of behavior. So last class we have discussed about functional classification of cost. Now we will be discussing about the classification of cost on basis of variability or on basis of behavior. On basis of behavior, cost is classified into three categories. First is it will be classified as a fixed cost. It will be classified as a fixed cost. Second, it will be variable cost. And third, there is a classification which is known as a semi-variable. Okay, on basis of behavior, on basis of behavior, on basis of behavior, cost is classified into three types. That is, on basis of behavior, cost is divided into three classification. That is fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. Okay. So on classification of cost on based of behavior, cost is classified into three types, you can say. One is the fixed cost, it will be, next will be the variable cost and semi-variable cost. So one by one we will understand what is a fixed cost, what is a variable cost first, then we will go for the semi-variable cost. So what is a fixed cost? Fixed costs are those costs which remain constant. Fixed costs are those costs which remain constant, irrespective of number of units produced. Fixed costs are those costs which remain constant, irrespective of number of units produced. Means whether you produce or not produced, some cost will be incurred. That costs are known as fixed cost. Okay. Whether you run your company or not run your company, some cost you will have to incur. No? Such costs are known as fixed cost. What all can be the example of fixed cost? Rent. Rent of the premises. So if you are running your business on a rental premises, you will have to pay the rent. No? Whether you run your business or not run your business, rent you will have to pay. So rent is not related on the production. Whether you produce or not produce, you will have to pay the rent. So rent is a fixed cost, you can say. This is an example of fixed cost. So fixed costs are those costs. Fixed costs are those costs. See here in this PDF. Fixed costs are those costs which are incurred for a period and which within the certain output and turnover limit tend to be unaffected by fluctuations in level of activity. Means you produce or not produce, you will have to incur that cost. Such type of cost are known as fixed cost. So fixed costs are not related to the output. Fixed costs are not related to what output. So these are the costs which are incurred, and it will remain constant within the certain level of activity. Means it is not affected by the output. Okay, such type of cost are known as fixed cost. So one good example which we have seen is the rent. Rent, see, whether you produce or not produce any goods in your factory, you will have to pay the rent to the owner of that premises. So that such type of costs are known as fixed cost. Insurance, if you have taken insurance policy for the factory building, you will have to pay the premium. No, whether you produce or not produce, that is not the concern of the insurance company. So such type of costs which are not related to the production and which remain constant for certain level of activity, such type of cost are known as fixed cost. So if you will see the diagram for the fixed cost, it will be like this. If you will see the diagram for the fixed cost, so here cost will be there and here output will be there. Okay, suppose we will take a rent. If you want to show rent in this diagram, rent expenses, rent will remain constant only. Now suppose rent every month is 15,000. Okay, 15,000 rupees is the rent for the premises which you have taken. It will be constant only. Whether you produce 10 units, whether you produce 15 units, okay, whether you produce 1,000 units, okay, whatever units you produce, rent will remain constant only, So such a type of cost is known as fixed cost. Even if you don't produce any units, zero, then also you will have to pay rent. So graph of the fixed cost will be like this, horizontal. So this is the fixed cost which is not affected by level of activity. Level of activity means, for simple term, you can understand units produced, which is not affected by units produced. Okay, such type of costs which are not affected by units produced or level of activity are known as fixed cost. So some important example which we have seen is the rent, insurance expenses, etc., which we will have to pay irrespective of you produce or not. Such type of cost are known as fixed cost. See, the diagram for the fixed cost is given here. Here cost is there and here output is given. So whatever output you produce, your cost is remaining constant. See, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Such type of cost are known as fixed cost. Next type, next cost which on basis of variability is the variable cost. Variable cost will change with the level of activity. It will keep on changing with level of activity. Or you can say number of units produced. Number of units produced. Okay, so if cost keeps on changing with number of units produced, such type of cost are known as variable cost. For example, what material cost? See, more number of units you will produce, more material you will require. So we can say that material is related to the units produced. So such type of cost will called as variable cost. Direct labor. Okay, more units if you will produce, more labor cost will be incurred. So such type of cost will be known as variable cost, which will change with the level of activity. If the cost change with the level of activity, then you can call it as a variable cost. Okay. If a cost which is changing with the level of activity, such type of cost is known as variable cost. Diagram for variable cost will be like this. It will be increasing with the increase in units produced, and vice versa. It will decrease if the number of units produced is reduced. So for 0 units, variable cost will be 0. It will start from 0. It will go on increasing for each of the units if you are producing. Okay, so here there will be cost, and here we will have the units. So as you go on increasing the units, your variable cost will also go on increasing. So the graph for the variable cost will be like this. It will be upward sloping. Okay, if you will produce 100 units, for example, your variable cost will be this much, like this. You can assume. So your cost will be like this. So suppose you are producing only 50 units, your cost will be this much. So see, it is related to the units produced. So such type of cost which is related to the units produced is known as variable cost. And those costs which are not related to the units produced are known as a fixed cost. Okay. So variable cost means what? It will keep on changing with the units produced, and fixed cost means those costs which will remain constant, fixed, irrespective of units produced. So such type of costs are known as fixed cost. See, read here. These costs tend to vary with volume of activity. So more you will produce, more cost you have to incur. Such type of costs are known as variable cost. Okay, any increase in activity will increase the cost, variable cost, and decrease will reduce the cost. For example, material cost. Just now we have seen material, more units if you will produce, more material you will require, so more cost will be incurred. If you are not producing anything, no material will be required, so zero will be your cost. So it will be starting from 0 point, and it will go on increasing like this. For each output, your variable cost will go on increasing. See, it will be like this. Suppose if you are producing 200 units, your cost will is how much? 2000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. See, here you can get more perfect. Okay, similarly, if you are manufacturing 500 units, your variable cost is 50,000. Understanding? So, such type of cost which will keep on changing are known as what? Variable cost. Such type of costs which will be keeping on changing are known as variable cost, and those costs which remain fixed irrespective of you produce or not produce, such type of costs are known as fixed cost. So whether you produce or not produce, you will have to incur that cost. Such type of costs are known as fixed cost. Okay, like rent, very good example. Whether you manufacture or not manufacture, you will have to pay rent, not to the owner. Okay, so similarly, if you have taken insurance of the factory building, you will have to pay the insurance premium regularly, whether you produce or not produce. So such type of cost, which is not affected by the changes in output, are known as fixed cost. and those costs which are affected by the units, that is volume of activity, level of activity, such type of cost are known as which cost? Variable cost. So more units if you will produce, more cost will be incurred. It will go on increasing. If you will reduce the output, the cost will also reduce. Such type of cost are known as variable cost. So from this graph, you can easily understand the difference between the fixed cost and the variable cost. Okay.